Today is day 4, National Cookie Day, and we're making lemon lavender cookies. Let's get into it. In a bowl, I have some softened butter here. We're going to add in granulated sugar and then use our mixer to cream this together. For me, this took about 7 minutes. If you're using a more powerful mixer, it should probably take you about 3. But we're going to let this get to a lighter color and get some fluffier texture, almost peaks. We're going to add in some local honey and then also an egg and vanilla. We'll give this another mix just to combine. Make sure you use a spatula in between mixing so that you can scrape down the sides and get everything incorporated. Next, we are going to add in some all-purpose flour. We're also going to add in just a pinch of some kosher salt. We're going to add in the zest of 1 lemon. And finally, our star, we're going to add in some local culinary lavender. We're going to give this another mix to combine and make sure that all of the flour is fully incorporated. Once that is mixed fully, we are going to take 2 sheets of parchment paper and set those off to the side. We're going to divide our cookie dough into 2 halves. The first half, we are going to add it onto our parchment paper and try and lightly roll this into a log. It doesn't have to be perfect. It is a slightly sticky dough, so just be aware of that. Once you get your imperfect log, it will go in the fridge to chill for at least 2 hours. Once we pull it out of the fridge, we are just going to cut it in about 1/2-inch slices. We're then going to add these to a parchment-lined baking sheet, and they will go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. For our icing, I have some powdered sugar here that I'm adding a little bit of lemon juice to. As you can see, once I whisk this up, it's a little bit thick, so I'm going to loosen it up with some more lemon. If you want to just sub in milk or water for this, that is absolutely okay. I just like a tart icing. I'm going to keep adding lemon juice until I get to the consistency that I like, and once we get there, we are just going to add it onto our cooled cookies. So yes, if you were going to ice these to save and not eat immediately, you want to make sure that these are cooled completely. We're going to top our cookies with just a little bit more of our culinary lavender because why not? It is beautiful. And then just a touch of our fresh lemon zest. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you give this recipe a try. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for day 5 of our 24 days of Christmas cookies and treats. We'll see you then. Bye!